Chapter 9 Sri Sai Chaturga. Effort of compliance and non-compliance with Baba orders at the time taking the leave, for instance, medical incident necessity, devotees experience, the Kat family experience, Baba fits on how. The head of chapter briefly indicate the Bhaktas who obeyed Baba orders in the taking time leave for product. Decisions of money method, the statement will amplify the history of Krishna and other matter in this. Deal to this chapter. Characters of Sri Deepal one of the previous generation and could lead to without Baba function would making him from sufferings. However, if one has to leave, do not stay longer. Baba gives such suggestions in the question goodbye. This suggestion to be followed, if not followed exactly. They would discuss options of before Baba directions. How, for instance, are Tatya Koti Butter. Tatya Koti was once going to Kanka Karamguru Bazar. He came to his message greeted by Sadu. Baba said, don't make haste to stop little. Forgo Bazar, don't go out of place. Seeing his Anastasi Baba asked him to taste. Take Shama with him. Discarding Jabba Chata on the Tango to walk here, which is 300 were active and restless after passing celebrant to wrestling got. Spain was well done that there was not help that English about direction. Another occasion while President of Baba instruction drove Tango was met similar accident. European gentleman. When European gentleman the specific object in the mind came to study Baba introduction the note to introduction to give comfortable coordination, then move on to kneel before Baba kisses and which were try to message Baba Kuntundu. He was asked us to open the portal. Baba take darshan, not please to the reception man decided to leave study at once. Baba Baba asked to next not how many people asked to read by Baba direction, not listening to the lesson to Harsa and shower will pass. Vessel Latin horses, causing the rumpus, the Ambas to Toxi, and fell down and dragged the same person which immediately reached the Tanga Hattakura hospital. Injury series because of the suffering, everyone learned the lessons, disobeyed Baba instructions, those who were safe and happy. The necessity of the uh, mendicancy now return to consumer of many customs and arise in the minds of some of the great thing before in fact why he should be because of beginning goal of his life the question consider repair from what to son who is fit to live by breaking the shastras individuals are beginning from indices for wealth for the family so those are begging they cannot make cooking arrangement diet from the duty of feeding so this also serve on either house of celebrate Sannyasi from the Andhra Samasan was allowed by the support of Mr. Manson. He therefore had a fulfilled request begging bow. Another standpoint will be taken regarding the purchase of the 5 cents of the state economy not only people to produce households have to go to fire auction process currently counting, testing, grinding, cleaning, economy washing parts, measurements, working and cleaning. The process of destruction of many small and success household in order to attain knowledge also of skills across prevention and offering sublime study of Patri Anjana, offering present systems of the Anjana, both Anjana of constant beings, Manisha, Anjana offering strength and initially this sacrifice and justice the mind purified so gain knowledge and Baba and going to house and wanted to dwell. Sacrifice duty, fortune of the people's for the lessons of the Baba. Devotees experience another interesting one of the example of Krishna is the Bhagavad Gita. And to disavow so devotee offered me a leaf of flower, piece of fruit or water. Few hearted man accept the piece of water in case of Sai Baba devotee and it offered to is not forgot to offer Baba would remind us of offering as a present in Baba would accept the offerings less devotees if the ancient type of given below. Tarkad family father and son Ramachandra Asana relation with the farmer president became Shansan Sabu his wife and son lovely he was on Proshima to go to mother study in Scottish vacation but the son was unwilling to go he was concerned the lieutenant on Banda Ushisha Sabu Banda was going to properly performance for father all the time as well as can Baba Pardo Baba voted when however the father gave assurance so he would perform worship that Baba was left study very Friday night. The next Saturday, Mr. Go to quickly to Kushwath President Puja Personal and Baba and going to perform Puja exactly same doing. But please no, it can be formal drill. After father performs, he offers people problems for West Navy, which was the sort of the luncheon. That evening, also son was following the Monday. The Puja continued to perform perfumes. I was another perform Puja like this time. Felt a great confidence. Everybody got satisfied according to promise given to son. On Tuesday, he performed the morning puja of the work coming. He found there was no prasad, so he served the servant to go to no offense made in the morning. They completely forgot to perform the puja. Mr. He posted himself before showing expression. They regard the chilling Baba for awareness of the maker whole affair material to them. Wrote a letter to Sandhya requesting to for pardon of his neglect. This happened on Mandara Tuesday and Abel the same day same Tuesday. When Athi was about to commence, Baba said to Mr. Whether I have in a house Bandra with something to eat. I found door locked. I again entranced. Instead of when Babu left nothing to eat, so I have returned without eating. The lady could not understand. The son was supposed to understand there was something wrong. The puja and the customer to find Baba refused to listen, but others and performed the puja. Yeah. Then some total that included a format of the puja and the church and the some letters crossed daily at respective parties of the next day. But let us not describe the case of Masatawar herself. She offered three things: roasted brinjal mixed with the curds and slices of brinjal, fries and grease, sweet meatballs. The following story of Baba Shiva. Raghavir Bhaskara Pandira of a great devotee of Baba's spirit and later with his wife and two Brinjal requesting Guru where the Brinjal Kachara offered answer them to Baba upon reaching yesterday. Mr. Wonder took the dish with prevented him from Mr. Thakra Brinjal must not do the started in Baba found it as a blend of tasty. He distributed all said he has 20 Kacharas. What was sent to Radha Krishna Maya Baba and was fixed notice to bring out a great Brinjal and get met to God. Not only Bharati but also interest Moshe Thakur preparing concepts. Everyone came to know Sambhava inquiry regarding Kanchana understood Baba precise knowledge. Another incident regarding the took place in December 1915 Go and Balaram are going to study perform the business of Baba. Later came to see Mr. Thakur wanted to send something to go into Baba. She says so the whole house but found nothing except Pida. He has already been often met with her. But still, during she sent the Pida to go and cook in Baba accident. Baba interestingly, but forgot. As was in the morning to take Peter with him, Baba simply waited, says nothing. The later Govind went to Baba and he again went empty handed to Peter. Baba could not reply and therefore asked him to not even nothing. Baba, Baba asked the same fourth again. Then Baba asked him the leading question did not brother give something to sweet me to eat me and the boy embraced the whole thing left us shocked. He asked Baba to pardon rental lodging and gave to Baba. As soon the Baba had his hand put in the mouth, calculated the solution to the cost of my success as a man billions of accepting Gita proved in this case. Baba fed Simon Rusla how once Mr. Davis in the certain house in Trinity at noon meals were ready and dishes were released of hunger dog dinner began. Wishkon got up once through a piece of bread dog with great relation. The afternoon she was in the masjid sitting in the sun. Sai Baba called her mother, have you fed me some interest into my throat? My applicants have been satisfied. Always I will stand in good stead. Sitting in the masjid, I shall be never speak and truth. Take me to music. First, give me bread thou to hungry, then eat yourself not this well. At first, Mr. Thakur could not understand the meaning of Baba, so he replied, Baba, how could I feed you? And because Radha Samashna take my payment, then Baba be eating the lovely bread. I am hardly content still facing the dog which I saw in the menu. Who gave his abilities is with me. So all precious is sitting with me and roaming the home. So present this precious my beloved. So of my sensory daily myself for today. Hearing this nectar words like so more to heart filled with his throat but choked her